Hello everybody, this is a special announcement. We got here Ealing South Hall MP, Mr. Virendra Sharma, and Ealing and Hillingdon London Assembly member, Mr. Onkar Sohata. Mr. Virendra Sharma, you are here for the Tamil Rehabilitation Organization 23rd sports meeting today. What would you like to say about the Tamil people and their sports events today?
First of all, thank you very much and congratulations to everybody who is taking part in this TRO's 23rd event organized in my constituency. I am involved in the issues related to the Tamil community for last many years. Before becoming a member of parliament, I was also a local councillor, worked very closely with the local community, mainly Kuban, Basantan, many other colleagues from this area, making sure that in my own constituency the Tamil community is looked after well and the issues are highlighted at all levels. This is always important. Any community wanted to establish themselves, any community moving to the new areas, keeping their traditions with them, education, culture, their history, and making sure that other related matters which the supports as well to bring them. I congratulate the organizers and I can assure them that whatever the support they needed from us, my colleague Dr. Onkar Sohata from the Greater London Assembly and many other my colleagues in the Parliament and the local council, we will carry on doing this, giving you the support and the assistance you need from us. Once again, congratulations to the organizers, every participant who is taking part here. That's building the community in this country, encouraging the young people, the youth in this country to come together, play together, build as a team, that team spirit amongst all of them. I congratulate those young people taking part in that, and I wish them every success for the future as well. Thank you.
Yeah, I would like to ask you something. I mean, today you can see in the sports grounds the Tamil people actually who are living as the diaspora Tamils here having this sports meeting with free and fair. There is no military presence here. Can you see any military or any forces in here? But unfortunately in our country, in Pamaliram, we cannot have this sports meeting without the presence of the military. And I would like to ask you at this juncture, how would you like to tell Mr. Cameron about the oncoming Commonwealth meeting which is going to be in northern Sri Lanka? Are you going to try to stop them, or how you are going to help the Tamil to raise this issue at the meeting?
I think that we should not mix the support with the politics, but now you have raised this point. I have asked Cameron, the Prime Minister of this country, not to go to Sri Lanka. We should not encourage Sri Lankan government in any Commonwealth countries. I did ask a question in the Parliament when I said that Sri Lanka should be expelled from the Commonwealth. It's a government to government. The present government have chosen to build their relationships with the Sri Lankan government. It is their policy, and I think that it's important that all the communities are made aware of the plight of the Tamils in Sri Lanka, the killings, rapes, the brutality of the Sri Lankan community. I think we need to organize the local communities to highlight to them and make them to unite with the forces to fight against. I hope that the government will take a note of that, but I don't think that the present Prime Minister is going to withdraw their support to Sri Lanka.
Thank you, Mr. Sharma. I would like to call upon the London Assembly member, Mr. Onkar Sohata, to say a few words for the Tamil community here at the sports ground.
I'm delighted to be here this afternoon with you. Although it's raining, but I think that there's a lot of warmth and a lot of community spirit in the people of the Tamil community here. And I wish that you have a success. And I understand this is your 23rd annual tournament, and this is a tremendous way of bringing the community together, building up sportsmanship qualities, fighting the team, right? You know, in life need to be team players rather than individual players, and you build up relationships here, and I want to congratulate the TRO for the effort they're making and wish you every success this evening. Hope the weather will improve, hope the sun will shine, and hope this will bring you success this afternoon. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Prasad, and thank you, Mr. Venkata Sharma. I would like to inform all the Tamil peoples around the world who are watching through this television. Today, the 23rd TRO organization's sports meeting is going on in Warren Farm Center. Almost more than 30 teams participating in the football and in cricket. You can see on television, online now. If you are watching this program, please go ahead and watch it, and if you can come and join us, please do come and join us at Warren Farm Center. Thank you very much.